The king of the meme coin industry has been moving over the past week, and it has met some expectations, especially for traders of the crypto. The intraday charts show some big gains for those who got right into the market before it took off. Also, when it finally came down, those that bet on its slip didn't go unrewarded. Today on Crypto Line, we'll be looking at different analytical perspectives of Dogecoin's price action and what we can expect from the leading meme coin. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The move of Dogecoin either way culminated with the bullish momentum that was experienced across the crypto market. Bitcoin and other mega-cap cryptocurrencies spiked, sending the entire sector higher. Dogecoin itself did what it could by rising to the challenge and growing by a marginal percentage to trade at about 27 cents. While the market desisted, Dogecoin would later track back down to about 26 cents in the subsequent trading sessions. The price action for Doge has been relatively range-bound in recent days. Investors appear to still be digesting bullish catalysts such as Elon Musk's Doge 1 satellite launch and the potential acceptance of this meme token as a payment by AMC. Dogecoin hasn't quite won back the ground it lost to Shiba Inu in the crypto market. It can be fair to say that investors are still looking for a reason to maintain optimism in the price action of Dogecoin, having traded at a level which is about 68% lower than its all-time high. But the buzz is virtually positive, even around the 26 cents price level, which suggests that it could be taking a minor break from the bullish momentum. As we've seen with the parabolic moves in Doge this year, it's still capable of going on an enterprising run. Its current price means that it may be enticing to speculators and those with aggressive near-term targets. Traders would need to be wary of its short-term volatility potential to avoid incurring a loss, as we can anticipate a lot of drama at the current price levels. The entire crypto market appears to be a minefield of some sorts after seeing most of the large cap drop double-digit figures. Bitcoin has dropped from its all-time high to trade at about $60,000 on the intraday. It was suggested that this could mean a possible catalyst for Dogecoin and other altcoins. If Bitcoin begins to rise, Dogecoin could realize its potential to run once more. As far as we know, Dogecoin remains one of the top-performing assets. Investors, while not showing interest in the meantime in Dogecoin, might be keeping an eye on the meme coin over the last days of this year. The current position of Dogecoin has been deemed as a failure to rise higher, but not without effort at least. The coin is currently trading in a range of 25 to 27 cents in what's been deemed as a rather stable market action, exhibiting low volatility. However, the trading volume has declined by 24.39% and totals $932.45 million, while the total market cap trades at around $34.7 billion, ranking the coin in 9th place overall. It's been suggested that there may still be more to come as the market retreats a bit lower. It's been building up for a slight dip for over a week as its price was observed to be trading at an increasingly tighter range over the past weeks. After a strong spike to 34 cents on the 28th of October, a sharp retracement set a new higher low at 25 cents. There were times when it seemed as if it would dip below 25 cents, which was a bit scary for investors, but Dogecoin price moved past the support for a brief time before consolidation resumed above 25 cents. According to this chart, Dogecoin attempted to break higher, with rejection around 27 cents, pushing the market lower again. Since then, it's consolidated around 26 cents, likely leading to more downside later today. The analyst notes that the price outlook appears to be bearish since attempts to rise above the 28 cents. It's led to the expectation that the coin could slip to about 24 cents, thus establishing a lower support. The major cause could be that Doge's price, like the majority of the cryptocurrency market, faced strong selling over the past few days. But unlike most altcoins, Dogecoin is positioned against an imminent price collapse. However, as much as there is room for an uptrend, we should consider the chances of the reverse being the case. The worst-case scenario could be a dip to about 18 cents. In this event, we may see a bit of a sell-off take place as investors try to take profit. Hence, the current price could be a tipping point. A close at or below the 23 cents value area would likely create a fast move to the 18 cents level. From there, Dogecoin is at its greatest risk of a downside move. It would tread dangerously close to hitting a new support at 8 cents. According to historical data, there wasn't much trading of Dogecoin within the 8 to the 18 cents price range. We might see something different this time. After all, Dogecoin has expanded beyond what it was back then. The trading volume might persist at that level. According to this analyst, despite the bullish news about an upcoming moon satellite entirely funded by Dogecoin and christened Doge1, there's been little interest to support Dogecoin's price. This can be observed by looking at the oscillators. The composite index is at an angle where it will cross below its moving averages very soon. Additionally, the relative strength index is rejected against the first overbought level in a bear market at 55. Doge price sees bears starting their sell-off from an upper channel line marked in purple on the chart that looks to be symmetrical with the red descending trend line. A bearish trend channel looks to be forming, which could start to accelerate further downward moves. On the downside, the green and red trend lines are forming an intersection around 23 cents, which is, for now, the only fundamental supporting element in the near vicinity. Should that intersection point break and see bears cause the price of Doge to go below the red descending trend line, expect an acceleration of the losses with another 20% towards the 20 to 19 cents range. This area holds the monthly S1 support level and the low of September, which should give bulls an excellent incentive to pick up some Doge coins, as the price will be trading at a good discount. With that, the RSI will trade in an oversold area and see sellers booking profits as sell-side volume dries up. What this ultimately means could be that there's a tough barrier to breach in the short term, as the signs are thought to be pointing at a dip rather than a surge. It would need to beat some of its previous levels to return to a clear bull market. That will only happen if Dogecoin can rally and close to at least 38 cents. The pressure is on, as selling pressure could possibly be in play and the price could be dipping further far away from its monthly all-time high. Doge price is drifting lower as no solid support levels are there to slow its descent, except for one moving average. Another break would accelerate the correction by another 20% towards 20 cents. Its fade might be stalled if the bulls can find their way above 28 cents early in the trading session and close above that level. Every percentage gain matters in this kind of situation. For now, the 55-day simple moving average at 25 cents looks to be trying to halt the selling pressure, but it stands alone with no other support of any kind. It's not expected to slow the sell-off, which means there is no real entry point for bulls to reverse course. The major thing to note about all these pieces of analysis is that it opens up a good buying position for Dogecoin entering into the last month of the year. We could see a replication of the dramatic move of cryptocurrencies last year, which saw Bitcoin enter 2021 with its head up high at about $25,000. Dogecoin was among the altcoins that enjoyed that price action the most, as it set the template for its beautiful price movements that we witnessed earlier this year. Dogecoin to $1 remains a goal for as long as Dogecoin is in the run at its current price levels. With increasing adoption, as well as some good old Doge magic, we could see this high flyer resume its price uptrend, which would make long-term investors pretty happy. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.